Welcome to the Makeup Chronicles by Date My Makeup, where your makeup products speak volumes. Previously on the Makeup Chronicles, you had been preparing to apply one of your favorite foundations to your pink sponge until your makeup protested, saying it was expired. At first, you brush it off, but then their words start echoing in your ear. Hey sis, adding water will change my perfectly formulated foundation, even though I'm over 18 months old. Madam, she's lumpy because she's past the expiration date. Just a friendly reminder to renew. Interior, bathroom. You stare into the mirror to take a sip of your blonde, dewy coffee mug, gorgeous just like you, pink sponge in hand reflecting.
So, why is this bad again?
Well, take a look at that dirty pink sponge. Use it and you've got a one-way ticket to Irritation City. Acneville.
Relax. Using it one more time won't hurt. Excuse me? Pinky here. It takes less time to clean me between applications than it does to make coffee. I hate to admit it, but, bacteria has settled in a few of my pores.
Yikes! TMI.
And I can't guarantee you won't, have a breakout. What do you mean?
Girl, acne. Irritation caused by bacteria in the sponge will plant microcomedones under your pores, which then could result in full-blown swollen pimples. Before you know it, your complexion will be rivaling a chocolate crunchy bar.
All right then. How exactly am I supposed to clean you?
Finally, got your attention. I'm glad you asked. Thanks for joining us on our latest episode. What's the best way to clean your makeup sponges? Head over to datemymakeup.com to find out and click on Makeup Chronicles. See you in the next one. Oh, and safe beauty to you.